But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Hi guys, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aska Akinyi. A very warm welcome to this channel, guys. If you're new, karibu tena sana. If you're coming back again, thank you so much for coming back again. So guys, I'm starting this vlog. Today's on a Monday. Actually today I'm in this house mchana because I'm on night shift. So yeah, so today I'll just be doing so much. Guys, the last video I told you that I was hunting. Oh my god, sijapata nyumba yenyewe msee alikuwa anataka. So I'm still on the move. Utaanguka kwenda huko. So I'm still on the move of house hunting. So today I want to go house hunting in another area. And before I do house hunting, we will just be shopping. So I want to shop today. And for this month, I'm not going to shop a lot of things because last month I think I shopped some of the things zikiwa in bulk. So I want to write my shopping list, and also I want to change my meal plan. Yeah, I just want to edit it. Nilikuwa nimeiandika na pencil, but I want to edit it kidogo. Yeah, so that is what I want to do this morning. Quick, niende supermarket, nirudi, I go house hunting. I try if I'm going to find nyumba yenyewe msee alikuwa anataka. I come back, sleep kidogo, then I'll report to work. The good thing is I'm reporting to work at 10 p.m. Yeah, so I'll have some time to sleep kidogo. So yeah, we are competing with Louis kuandika hapa, but I have my nini here. I want to write list ya items zenye nataka, and I'm going to start with what do we call I'm going to start with unga. No, we have unga. Guys, by the way, we have unga. Last time I was given some unga ya kusiaga with my friend. We just knew each other through YouTube, and she called me and told me ametoka na unga ushago akanipea. So mine, the one I bought last month, I've not used. So here I was just writing some things that I need in the house, and with the help of my house help, she was trying to tell me the things that we needed in the house. Yeah, so that is what I was just doing over here, and then I will just go straight to the supermarket. Guys, I'm back. Oh my god. Baby.
Kuja tukule yogurt.
Enda mkunywe yogurt.
Kuja.
Enda.
Hiyo unaweza kuja. Twende. Utaki?
Ako like, duh, I don't want. So guys, I'm back by the way. Nimetoka super. Nimetangulia super kwanza. Sija waonyesha kamera, but nimeenda super kwanza nikanunua vitu tunahitaji. I'm sick and tired of saying that I'm working under a tight budget. Hey, it's high time niache kusema hivyo. Me, next time I don't want to work under tight budget. I don't want. So guys, I have, let me show you. So I have mala here. So yeah, as I said, we are changing our menu this month, and we are doing mala, omena, mayai, and fish. Yes, so with fish we will just be buying them towards weekend on Sunday. So last time on Sundays we were doing chicken, but this time on Sundays we will just be doing fish. Okay, I think that is a good change. So I have mala. I bought 8 of them. Penye zitaishia we will add, but I bought 8 of them. So let me just put them here. So I have malas over there. I also also have milk. So this time round I've not bought a lot of milk. When itaishia we will buy. So I have milk. I think this one I have how many pieces? If not 10, I don't know. Yeah, I have milk here, 10 pieces, because we are doing porridge also in this house. Porridge has become our breakfast bear. Yeah. So I have 10 of them here.
Louis, what did she get? What?
And so I have some yogurt here. Mine and Pearl, because kina Louis washakunywa zao. I was debating on buying this salt, but nikakumbuka I want to cook some I want to cook some ground nuts. Yes, and I'll need salt. So guys, I have here. I have clean soft, 4 of them. These ones are enough for us the whole month. And jamini Lu, hata mafuta. I have menengai soap here, 1 bar. I have Amara Roshia. This is my book. Jesus, ndio naambia Lu atapasua. Kumbe mimi ndio nataka kuipasua. What? So I have Amara Roshia here. It smells so good, by the way. So I normally use that one. So I have this one here, Morning Fresh. Here, bathroom. So I have steam here. So this one I specifically want to use it to wash my cooker knobs. Yeah. I want to use it to wash my cooker knobs. I have pads here. I have toothpaste. Like I've just bought the things I wanted. Ashikai. That is a new toothbrush. I have sugar here, like 3 kgs of sugar. Sugar ilikuwa imeisha completely, by the way. So I have sugar. I have margarine over here. So hii pia ilikuwa imeisha completely. Tole. Enda chukua yako kwa bafu yangu. So tomato sauce pia ilikuwa imeisha kabisa. I have tomato sauce here. So guys, unga ya mandazi. So I had said that siendi kununua. I'm not going to buy ugali flour, but I've added one. I normally use mama these days, so I've just added one just in case. Yeah, I've added one, but there is unga, the one that I bought last time we have not used. And then I have mandazi flour over here. This one I love using it a lot. And then I have only one chapati flour because I have 1.5 in the house. I also have porridge here. So these days I buy this big one because it's not Louis alone who drinks porridge. All of us are drinking porridge. So nyeko ijaisha, but I've just added ndo isiishie kwa njia. Yeah. So acha nisukume. So I also have some banana. Shika ndizi. Tamu. Ati we, shika. Pelekea pama kutole. Pea pama kutole. Leta hii, kula ndizi.
Kuja mama.
Pea pama kutole. So by the way, hizi bananas nimepata na bei poa, 5 each, and I normally buy them at 10 shillings. This one are 5. So these ones are for 55 shillings. So I have beans here. I have yellow beans 1 kg. I have kamandes 1 kg. And I have ndengu green grams 1 kg. So these ones are so enough for us. In fact, they will even be more than enough if I'm not wrong. So these ones will help us with the rice. I think I feel like there are varieties, so they will be of help, most especially with the rice na chapo. And then with the ugali, we have put mala in place. I have omena. I bought omena jana. There is somebody who normally brings me very nice omena. And then I have eggs here. So I have only 1 crate of eggs here. 1 crate of eggs, but with eggs, I have, I think, maybe sita ama saba yenye imebaki. Yeah, so guys, that is all about what I've just come in with. So let's just arrange them, and we will just end this vlog here. Yeah, so I normally budget depending with what we are going to eat. Like this month, I had in place that we're not going to consume beef that much. We might, but not that much. I've not put it in place. That is why I've bought these ones, tundengus, omena, mayai, and some malas, because I knew we won't be doing beef that much. So guys, that is it. Yeah, I normally love saying that I'm working on a tight budget, but that is it. So let's just arrange them together with you guys.
Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. 2 a.m. wide awake, talking like we had the whole night. And I don't know if I said this right. No, I don't know how the days gone by. Missing little moments, it was easy just feeling alive. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed. Searching for the moments I'm a little less empty inside. Fewer late nights, cause nobody seems to make the time. And I don't know how to do this right. No, I don't know how the years gone by. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 25. Every now and again, I trace my steps back to then. Oh, I want that feeling. It's all that I needed to move on, to feel it. It's all that I needed.
If fridge imekuwa, my fridge has been empty like this, so this one I'll just pour it, because I had blended some tomatoes. I don't know if it's okay, I don't know, I'm not sure, because it had defrosted. So I have some kidogo cheese here. This one I'll just be cooking with it maybe today. And then there was mboga here. So I have vinegar water here. I want to use it to wipe this fridge. I'll just be wiping it. And also down here, nilikuwa nimeizima. So also down here, I just have mbogas alone, mbogas pekee, and some leftover ugali. I don't know why these ones were not covered, by the way. I'll have to tell Pam to make sure that she covers everything in here. So these ones are not covered. So there's a cake here. So I just want to wipe this fridge, guys. So this time round, the reason as to why I have not bought juice is because Pearl had a bad tonsils because of this juice. Because every time she's out of school, she'll just come and enjoy some juice. But I know if it's not here, she will not drink. But as long as it's here, she'll just sneak in and drink it, whether I am there or not. So I want to wipe this fridge and organize it.
moments I'm a little less 25, a little less 25, a little less. Searching for the moments I'm a little less 20, a little less 25.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So guys, I want to, this one is my pantry, so I normally use this one as my pantry. I want to arrange my things. So this one is an empty tin, so this is where I put my omena, fried omena. So I'll be batch cooking. Today I'm busy, tomorrow I'll be busy. The whole of this week I'll just be batch cooking because we don't have anything in the freezer. So definitely we are going to soak the beans, the camandes and the green grams today, and then we will be cooking them tomorrow and store them. For omenas, I'm going to fry them on Thursday. Yeah, that is when I think I'm gonna be free, and I still don't know, like, hey, I have a tight schedule. I thank God because I'm working at night, so during the day I can just steal my time and do some extra work that will bring me some money. So guys, that is it. So this one is an empty tin, so I'm just putting it in here, but it's an empty tin. I'll be filling it definitely on Wednesday or on Thursday. Yeah, so this one is normally for our fried omena, this one here. So this one is normally for mafuta ya omena. So the one that has been left we normally fill here. So that is the one that we will be cooking, using to cook omena. So I put it here. So it has some kidogo mafuta. I'm just going to leave it there. So this one is our popcorn. I've not bought popcorn. By the way, I've not bought it. But imeisha. Because also I've realized we don't eat popcorns that much. But I'll buy, next time I'm going to shop, I think I'll be buying some popcorns. Yeah, so guys, I will not show you everything, so let me just wipe and arrange.
Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So I have omena here. This one is so enough, by the way. I have a lot of omenas here, and they are so clean, by the way. Look at that. They are so nice. So I'll just be deep frying these ones. Yeah, and then store them fried. So it won't have much work when we want to cook.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So guys, I'm so done organizing everything for this month. The kitchen is clean and we are now set to start off April in peace. So let me just share with you how everything looks like here. So this is how everything looks like here. So this is my kitchen, yeah, and this is how everything looks like basically in here. It's not so clean, but it is clean, yeah. So I've organized, so this is what I've been organizing. So I've organized in here. So these are the things that we normally use like for cooking. Also down here, these are the things I normally use. My flour, omena, cooking oil, and all the flours that I need, I normally put them down here. And here I just put sugar, porridge, and the spices, like all those other stuffs that I need. So that is all about it. So with my freezer, it is empty. That is just like a cheese I've placed there, but it is clean, waiting for restock. We will be doing that from tomorrow. And with down here with my fridge, so this is how I've just organized that. These ones over here are normally my veggies, then the tomatoes, blah blah blah. So the juice that is in the house, my baby's yogurts. This one is garlic, I think this one is ginger, this one is garlic, more eggs, mala, and milk, and those ones are leftover ugalis, yeah. So basically this is what is in my small fridge, yeah. So guys, that is it. So that is where I stock our onions and blah blah blah. So when you come here, I have my rice over here and our flour over here, and I think that is it. So down here is where I put the extra food stuff. So I normally put them down here, yeah. So guys, that is it. So thank you so much if you've watched up to this point. God bless you guys. We have come to an end of this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like. And also guys, I forgot to show you. So over here, this is my sugar. This is what salt, and then this one is Weetabix, just like a quickie for Louis. And also sometimes I put some extra things over here like snacks. This is where I put snacks. and maybe bread and basically snacks. Yeah, that is where I put the snacks. So guys, thank you so much. If you've watched up to this point, God bless you. Nawapenda tena sana. Kindly share me out, kindly subscribe to my channel. And guys, look at my hair. I did my hair, I did some cornrows over here, and I love them. So thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, share me out, and if you have not clicked the notification bell, please do for more videos. Yeah, so that is it guys. Thank you and bye.